guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded another video, but you know I always try to come back and bring you guys new pieces. I'll try to be a little more consistent when it comes to YouTube. But yeah, you know, you guys, you know, all the famous stuff that you see. Maybe your favorite artist or your favorite YouTube influencer. I use my real coin when I buy this stuff, so you know my reviews are always going to be honest, for the most part. So with further ado, I'll tell you guys what's in the bag. This is my Farai London. I know you've probably seen, it is a brand, a black owned brand overseas in the UK. Kylie bought a dress from them. That was the first time that I heard about them, and I know I went to go look at it myself, and I honestly, they have some very nice pieces. And you know, my birthday is coming up. You know what I'm saying? You know I gotta emphasize that because this is my golden birthday, you guys. I'm turning 24 on the 24th of February, you know, so it's not every year that you get a golden birthday, so it's just like I'm going crazy. Anyway, all right, without further ado, this is the packaging. It's just the pink packaging. It's pretty cute. It says Farai London. It has all their hashtags and stuff like that. So cute pink packaging. All right, let's go on and open it. These scissors are so dull, like, don't judge me. Anyway. Okay. Do you see that? Fall winter 2020. Come through. Come through. Wow. Smells like new box. Okay, so it came. This is what came in it. It says, "'Tis the season to be fabulous. Happy holidays, Team Farai." Okay, I hope that I'm saying that correctly. But yeah, and then they gave me a 15% off discount code to come back again. Okay, make sure I use that. Here's my exchange form. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. Has a sticker that says thank you. Oh, I feel bad for ripping it, but oh my goodness. Look at the pants. Okay, cute pants. Okay. Here's the top. So it wraps at the top and then it wraps at the bottom. Nice material. I really couldn't tell you which side goes where. I'm a little confused. Okay, so only way to settle if this if this looks right, if it's, you know, if it's really it, we got to see it on. You know what I'm saying? So let's do that. Alrighty, we are back. Okay, so I finally tried it on. This is the top. This is how it fits. Don't be looking at my booty. The pants. You see the pants? They snapped. They definitely snapped. Alright guys. So this is the top. It fits so nice. I just really love how the material feels. It's very comfortable. And feels like it's giving me skin. Okay? It's giving me skin. It's giving me skin. This is the back. So, minus the fact that I need a little more time in the gym. All roles aside. Who? Oh, okay. I should do the challenge. Put your head on my shoulder. Guys, I can now give you guys my honest review. I love the outfit. First I was really skeptical about the pants because I'm like, they look kind of wide. Like, I don't think I'm that big, but I put them on and they honestly fit me perfectly. The only thing about it is I'm 5'3" and they are a little bit long, but the thing is I'm gonna wear heels anyway, so I'm not really worried about, you know, that right at the moment. So once I get some heels on, I'm pretty sure this outfit is going to pop. Once I get my accessories, once I put my accessories and my makeup and my hair and I get the final look. Right now, this is my birthday outfit. Like, I can't have you guys see me in my birthday outfit before my birthday. Like, it gotta be after my birthday because it's my birthday outfit. Duh. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. I make more unboxings, a lot to do with fashion and lifestyle, travel. So yeah guys,